Too busy to lose my cool. Been too much to do. Got a story that can I do the news. I suppose I suggest you move. Ain't worried about you. Bare things to get to. Never ever let you destroy my fortune. Not that important. Then what I'm courting for that misfortune. I pity. Blocking all my enemies. I commit that to memory. One they never seen. All of a sudden wanna be friends of me. Nah, never DP that make me wanna lose my concrete. Bitch, I'm button. Lord, don't let my arms reach. Fist don't dream. This is where my mind still need to be. Can I focus back to the movement? He this man yin and peace. Let my midfinger be the treat. When I see success gonna play at the end of the week. But in the meantime. Oh no, it's touching. Oh. Cold start. What's up, YouTube? So we at the spot where I'm gonna do the exhaust pulls at. Remember, this is no mufflers. I think there might be resonators on here. Yeah, I know there's cats on there, definitely. But this is how it sounds with no mufflers on it on the car currently. I really don't want it to stay like that, but since I put the new transmission in there, and they had no gas, I told guy, just let me run with no mufflers, and eventually I was gonna go ahead and buy a whole nother exhaust system. So that's the plan going forward. So hope y'all enjoy the video, what it sounds like with no mufflers. So it's not fully straight pipe, I don't think, because I think there's resonators on here. Don't quote me though. But I know for sure that there ain't no mufflers on here. So it's just cats. So yeah.